Hello everyone, I am Chalma Reddy. Welcome to CR Maths class. In previous class, we have completed homogeneous differential equation concept and 32 question we are completed. Now see the 33 question. This is a homogeneous or not? First observe that y by x, y power 1, x power 1, the degrees are same. So this is homogeneous differential equation. Okay, now how to do that? Let y is equal to vx. Here observe that what is y by x? Y by x is equal to v. Now here differentiate with respect to x, we get dy by dx, that is equal to v is constant, x derivative 1 plus x is constant, v derivative dv by dx. Okay, students. Now those values substitute in the question. What they are given? Dy by dx is equal to y by x plus sine of y by x. Dy by dx means already we know that is v plus x into dv by dx. And right hand side, instead of y by x, what we can substitute? That is v plus sine v. Okay, students, here v is going to cancel. Now separate the variables. You will get dv divided by sine v, that is equal to dx divided by x. Now apply the integration. 1 by sine means that is cosecant v d, that is equal to integration 1 by x dx. Students, tell me what is integration cosecant v dv? Integration cosecant x dx formula log tan x by 2. Because here tan terms are there, that's why I'm using that formula. That is log tan of v by 2, that is equal to right hand side, see that integration 1 by x dx log x plus take the constant log c. Now logarithm of tan, what is v, students? Y by x now. So y by 2x is equal to right hand side log a plus log b. So we can write log ab. In both the sides logarithm is there. Eliminate that. Remaining is tan of y by 2x is equal to cx or xc. See the options. So need to some more calculation here. Right hand side value, send left hand side. Tan of y by 2x minus cx is equal to 0. Students, which option is correct? First option. 34th question. How to do this? Y square dx. So y square dx, send right hand side. X square minus xy plus y square into dy, that is equal to 0. Sorry, that is equal to minus y square dx. Minus y square dx. Here dy by dx, that is equal to minus y square divided by x square minus xy plus y square. Here observe that numerator and denominator degree is same. So we will say that this is homogeneous differential equations. Homogeneous differential equation. Now how to solve this? We know very well. So instead of y, take that vx, apply the differentiation on both sides with respect to x. dy by dx is equal to v plus x into what? dv by dx. So those values substitute in the question. dy by dx mean that is v plus x into dv by dx, that is equal to numerator. Instead of y, substitute vx. So we get v square x square. Then what about denominator, students? See, x square minus x into vx plus v square x square. Numerator and denominator, take x square common. X dv by dx, that is equal to left hand side v, I am going to send that right hand side minus v, minus numerator x square common and denominator x square common, it is going to cancel. So we get 1 minus v plus v square. Here take the LCM, then see that what happened. I am writing in particular order. Denominator minus v into v square minus v cube plus v square minus v and minus v square. So after taking the LCM, numerator plus v square minus v square is going to cancel. Then remaining what is there? So left hand side, see that x into dv by dx. Okay, students. Next step, how to do that? Separate the variables. Now, in left hand side we get v square minus v plus 1 divided by, here numerator take minus common, we get minus v cube plus v into dv, that is equal to dx by x. So after separating the variables, we got like this. Next, how to do that? Left hand side minus, send to right hand side. So we get minus 1 by x dx. Remaining part, observe that. How to do that? So that is v square minus v plus 1 divided by, denominator take v common, we get v square plus 1. This is split into partial fractions. I am expecting that we get 1 by v minus 1 by v square plus 1. This is, if you are getting doubt, take the LCM and observe that you will get above step. Okay, now apply the integration on both sides. Then what happens? See, and minus sign right hand side. So you get integration 1 by x dx, that is equal to, if you are sending minus right hand side means second term is going to first term is going to second. Yes or no? Now apply the integration. Here what is missing? dv. Here also dv. Integration 1 by x dx. What, students? Log x. That's equal to integration 1 by v square plus 1. That is tan inverse of v minus integration 1 by v dv log v. Then where we want to write constant? Where we want to write constant, tell me? So here write that plus c minus log v. this is same left hand side. At that time log x plus log v, log a plus log b formula, we know that log ab, that is equal to tan inverse of v plus c. What is the y, students? Y is equal to vx. So instead of vx, I am going to write y. Log y is equal to tan inverse of v means y by x plus c. Now finally see the options. What happened? Tan inverse of y by x plus log v plus c is equal to 0. But here we are getting opposite signs. Tan inverse of y by x is equal to log y plus log c. I think this is the final answer. Question is there. Students, this is a level 2 problem. See the question. First convert in the form of dy by dx is equal to dy by dx. That means what is the value? So dx we are sending this side, and this term we are sending to left hand side. That means x cube minus 3xy square divided by y cube minus 3x square. Observe here numerator and denominator, degree is 3. So this is homogeneous differential equation. If it is homogeneous, how to do that? Let y is equal to vx. Then do the differentiation with respect to x. Dy by dx is equal to v plus x into dv by dx. Now those values substitute in the question. V plus x into dv by dx, that is equal to, instead of y substitute vx, okay, x cube minus 3x y square is there. That means v square x square divided by y cube is there, v cube x cube minus 3x square into vx. Here students observe that numerator and denominator, take x cube common and it is going to cancel. Then what is remaining? So left hand side v, I am going to send right hand side x dv by dx, that is equal to, first see the right hand side terms, 1 minus 3v square divided by v cube minus 3v, and left hand side v I am sending to right hand side, it is going to minus v. Simplify this. LCM v cube minus 3v, 1 minus 3v square, v cube into v power 4, minus into minus plus 3v square. Okay, so here minus 3v square plus 3v square is going to cancel, and left hand side what is there? X dv by dx. Now separate the variables. V cube minus 3v divided by 1 minus v power 4. Okay, dv, that is equal to dx by x. Then how to do? Tell me students. Variables are separated. Now we are going to do that. Apply integration on both sides. So here numerator and denominator, I am going to take a minus common. So we get like this, 3v minus v cube divided by v power 4 minus 1d. That is equal to integration 1 by x dx. Now students, how to do the integration? Tell me. Integration, this is 3v divided by v power 4 minus 1 dv minus integration v cube divided by v power 4 minus 1 dv. And right hand side, it is very easy. Integration 1 by x dx, that is log x. Okay. Left hand side is difficult. Then how to do that? So here I am going to do that dividing to multiplying to. And denominator v power 4 is a, I am going to write v square whole square minus 1 dv. Okay, students, all of you understood now? Minus here, divide 4, multiply 4. 4v cube divided by v power 4 minus 1 dv. That is equal to integration 1 by x dx. Now this is how to write, students. If v square is equal to, take t, v square is equal to t, then 2v dv is equal to dt. So we are getting numerator or not? So finally this is, we can write 3 by 2 tan inverse of v square minus 1 by 4. No, this is not tan inverse because here minus is there. Minus is there. So we can use logarithm related formula. Yes or no? So 1 by 2 into logarithm of 1 plus v square divided by 1 minus v square. This is the exact formula. Minus 1 by 4. This is logarithm of v power 4 minus 1, because integration f dash of x by f of x dx like that is there or not? And right hand side, observe that log x, and write that integrating constant here log c. Okay. Now finally see here, what is the common in left hand side? I am expecting that 1 by 4. Remaining, apply that log a minus log b formula. And here 3 is there extra. 3 is there extra. So that is sent to logarithm of 1 plus v square by 1 minus v square whole cube. And here minus is there, minus also sent to power logarithm of v power 4 minus 1 whole power minus. That is equal to log xc. Okay, students, 1 by 4 sent to right hand side, and left hand side, observe that log a plus log b, log ab, 1 plus v whole cube divided by 1 minus v square into v power 4 minus 1 whole power minus 1. That means 1 by v power 4 minus 1. V power 4 minus 1, how to write, students? Tell me. That is v square minus 1 into v square plus 1. Here is v square is missing. V square plus 1. Okay. And these 1 by 4 sent to right hand side. So overall here we get log xc whole power 4 or not. Now eliminate the logarithm. Then which terms is going to cancel? 1 v square plus 1, 1 v square plus 1 is going to cancel. Now remaining is 1 plus v square whole square divided by, here 1 minus v square minus 1. That is how to write. Minus of 1 minus v square whole square, or v square minus 1 whole square. Anywhere we have done mistake? No. No mistake. Okay. So here minus of 1 minus v power 4 is equal to xc whole power 4. Okay. Next, finally, in place of v, substitute y is equal to vx now. Then what is v? Y by x. Substitute here 1 v square minus 1. Okay. 1 plus y square by x square whole square divided by, this is right the reverse, y power 4 divided by x power 4 minus 1, that is equal to xc, x power 4 into c. Numerator and denominator take LCM, x power 4 is going to cancel. Now numerator we get x square plus y square whole square, that is equal to, and x power 4 is going to cancel, remaining x power 4 into y power 4 minus x power 4 into c. And one more thing, here we are done mistake, whole cube, this is whole cube. Then what is the calculation? Remaining part, integration f dash of x by f of x. Here see that, I think this is v square minus 1 by v square plus 1. This is the formula. Yes or no? Now send to cube power v square minus 1 whole cube divided by v square plus 1 whole cube. Now this is v square minus 1 whole cube divided by v square plus 1 whole cube into, this is will come denominator, v square minus 1 into v square plus 1. So one of the term is going to cancel, students. V square minus 1 is going to cancel. Here will come 2. Yes or no? Now calculation, logarithm of numerator v square minus 1 whole square and denominator v square plus 1 whole cube is equal to logarithm of xc whole power 4. Now eliminate logarithm,